Hello! So in today's Minimas film we are going to be making some tiny dipped candles. Also, I had been doing some painting crafts previously, so that is red paint on my hand and brown paint on the inside of my hand. And unfortunately the microphone didn't work for the start, and then our kitchen is in our sort of underground, so it's quite dark, which causes quite a lot of strobing on the cameras. So the actual making of the candles isn't going to be very long, but there are some brilliant videos here on YouTube of how to make dipped candles. Here I'm just making some weighted cotton thread to use as the wicks, which I'll coat in a layer of wax before starting the candles. Here is some leftover wax. We boiled it. The black in the pot is the wax from around the bottle we had, which we wanted to take off, so thought we'd do two things at once. And then it's a simple process of dipping the wick and then dropping it into cold water and then just dipping multiple layers until you have a candle shape. Then came time to make a candelabra for on top of the piano, as lots of you suggested on our piano film. So for the candelabra, I have this beautiful square head copper nail which stands nicely, and then I have two bent copper nails that I'm thinking, because it's going to have to be quite a simple candelabra, because I think it'd be quite complicated. So we've got a very simple candelabra. Can I bend this one slightly more into shape? No, I can't. That is stiff. So slightly outward. I wonder if I can bend this one. Just a bit. Is that better? That's a bit more even. And then we do have other plans for these, but we find a lot of them. So these are going to be possibly pawns in a chess set. But these are air rifle pellets, and they sort of, to me, look a little bit like thistles. So thinking they will be the candle holders. Like that. I think a very simple, incredibly simple candelabra for the, because I'm not sure you can do any sort of more elaborate than that. So just gonna do glue opposed to soldering. See that? There. One side of the candelabra done. See about there. Yeah, it's going to be slightly uneven, but it's quite big too. How does it look on the piano? It looks deadly. Oh, now I'm thinking I probably should have put them lower down. Nope, I'm going to put them lower down. Yeah, I'm going to put them lower down. Luckily the glue hadn't completely dried. Okay, I think that's more candelabra shaped. Does it look better on the... Yeah, and if we surround it by greenery, as we're planning to do, so then we need to attach the thistles. A small thistle candelabra. So now we just need to maybe do something about that glue that's visible and make the tiny candles. It's very elaborate.
Well, it's Christmas.
Mm-hmm. So I think I'm just going to burn them down a bit.
Yeah. Blow them out before they get too short.
Mm-hmm. I didn't mean to blow out that one yet. Oh well.
Nice. They look more realistic now.
Mm-hmm. This one's done it. It's dribbled.
Nice. They're fun, aren't they?
They are fun. It's massive.
Should have been more of an angle.
It is a very big candelabra, but they don't have a light. So
Yeah.
they would have candles. Where are we going to put this? I want to put the little stubby triangle one in there somewhere.
I don't know, because if you put greenery around, it would look really pretty.
We should have
put it on the piano again.
Yeah, we should have
Or
made
on the mantelpiece.
Yeah, we should have made what I always call Wee Willie Winky.
Well, you've got a chance still. We've got 2 days
Yeah,
left.
and we've got some other candles. Maybe we'll save some candles and we make one of those for the bedroom, to
Okay.
the bedside table.
I think the next 2 days are sort of going to be finishing off things, aren't they? And making food. And...
Yes, and I'm gonna see if I can make a doll.
Okay.
But we'll have to see.
Yeah, we're sort of running out of time. It's my birthday on Monday, so we need to do
The last day of Minimas.
The last day of Minimas is my birthday.
It's very grand, but I don't think it looks out of place. It's just big, which is fine.
It's
A hand-me-down from Aunt March. She's given them.
March.
Aunt March.
March.
I'm quite chuffed with how it's looking. It's looking very cosy.
It is. I mean, like I say, we've got a few more finishing touches to do yet.
Yeah, and that's not even got the table of food in front of it.
No. All the children in it.
Yeah, all the things on the walls. Yeah, I guess
It's got quite. I think that's the thing. We've got quite a lot to do in the next couple of days.
we do. Yes, but today, last thing is to open number 10 of our miniature advent calendar. Try not to breathe into the microphone. Ooh. Oh my goodness.
Oh, nice pies.
All loaves. Their Christmas dinner is gonna. Oh goodness.
Fluff on your hand.
Their Christmas dinner is gonna look just how I always imagined, you know.
Christmas dinner should look.
Yeah, and the stuff the Christmas dinner is going to be beautiful. Oh, they look so tasty. Cooked to perfection. I'm so excited about putting everything on the table.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be very fun and look very good. And that is all thanks to Mel, aka Fairy Acorn. Wow. So we'd just like to apologise about the sound issues in this film. And thank you all, as always, for all of your comments and likes throughout all of Minimas. It's been a wonderful thing to see every morning. So like Mum said, the next 2 days are just going to be making finishing touches and making it as Christmassy as possible. So we will see you tomorrow. Bye!